Alright, what we're going to do for this tutorial here, we're going to create two workbooks, which we have them created here already, master and template. And whatever information we have in template, we're going to open the book master and dump it inside it. Alright, so let me prepare the data first and foremost. We go into template. And that's going to prepare simple data, name and age. Right, you can put in any name and any age if you want. Name Bruce. Bill. Grace. And Jeff. Put in any age, it don't matter. What? Right. Oh boy. Numlock. Right. We saving this. Ooh, why are they asking us that? I save over this thing properly, eh? Woo! Alright, so we created template, and our master will just put name, and age. If we get an error one more time, we couldn't create two brand new workbook, eh? Right, we don't want this error appearing. So let me just create over these two workbooks. You don't want no kind of problems. So you'll start from scratch, create new workbook, create name, age, we don't want to put correct names. Let's put any numbers. And I'm going to name this, and name it an easier name, template 1. Right, we don't want no errors at all. And the same thing we'll do with master. And save it as master 1. Next thing, these are conventional names that preventing us from using it. Right. So let us open template. We're going to close master for now and open template and go to the Visual Basic Code, Alt F11, right? And you're going to create a module, and we're going to submit master. Submit data on master. Right? Of course, I'll have to declare a variable dim master 1 as workbook. Right? That's the first thing I will do, because master 1 is a workbook command, and I'm going to set master 1 equal to open the workbook dot open, and I'm going to type the part of the command of the opener. Alright, so I'll go to my master book, slash master 1 dot, where's the syntax? X what? XL SX. Right. Could always check the syntax here. XL SX. Right, cool. We have the correct syntax. That's the most important thing. Set master 1. Right, where the counter gonna start now? We could start at counter 2, because if I start at counter 1, I will delete the data from the 8 from the top now. But it doesn't matter. I'm using the same code before. Counter equal 2. I can copy the data nonetheless. When you use the same command, do until, I should just save that so we're not be typing over this again. Do until this workbook dot sheets, and I'm using sheet 1 as usual. Start with cells. Counter first. I'll start at 1. Dot value, which is equal to no value, because I want to make sure that when it reaches the no value first, I take the data. Oops, my bad. Equal no value. And again, I could have just simply copy and paste this thing. Right, so whatever value is there, I'll want the master workbook. So I'll put master to have all the data in it. So that will be master 1 dot sheet. Whatever is in the template, I wanted to copy back over to master 1 sheet. Alright, I forget my colon here. Right, we ain't done as yet. I'm using the range property. Remember we used the range property the last time, and we used the counter to concatenate the range. And since I cannot remember the concatenation of the range, I'm going to show you a different operator that you could use here. Ampersand colon. I hope I remember it. Ampersand counter, because I can't remember the range. I'm not going to open back the booklet. I mean the booklet right here, but let's pretending that I ain't see it now. And I know I saw it, but that's how it is. Sorry about that. Right, I know I saw it. A lot of people is telling me I saw it. Alright. Oh, the type of all this again, boy. Can I copy this somewhere between here? Oh boy. Somebody could have really tell me to keep my last set of code, And the type over this all is this workbook in this workbook, whatever, because I have this workbook open anyhow now. Sheets, sheet 1. I hope all you understanding this code, I just copying for whatever is in this workbook, and I want to put it across in the master booklet now, but I don't open the booklet first now, and I'm using the same concatenation of the counter. Right, ampersand concatenate. I hope I had this one right here, but if I don't have it wrong, trust me, packing up and go. It's not like you're gonna use this at all in any one of the programs you had to write up for me. I mean, you could use it to tidy up your program, make it look neat. Right? Right, whatever value is in that, I'm gonna copy this whole thing here now. Range value, because I also wanted to stop at null. If I don't do this, this last part here is going to go into an infinite loop, and that's what we had to try to avoid. Right? That infinite loop. Right, now we're going out on a limb here, people. We're going out on a limb here. Before I do anything, I'm gonna save this book here. Oh God, why not message how to come on, boy? and master is also closed. Right, let me finish my loop. And I also want for master book, master 1 dot save. Okay, that's the name of the book. And master 1, I could close master 1 if I want, but I wouldn't close it. I'll just put the code here for now and I'll just comment it out. I will want it to remain open. You see how it look. Right, so let me run this program and see if it have any credit in it. Save it. Alright, I don't know why I didn't take off macros in the first place. So we're going to try it nonetheless. Right, so we're seeing some information showing up here. But it only printed one record alone. Only one record. You know why it only printed one record, people? Guess what? I forget to put the... I sure I forget something in my code here. Oh, like nobody even pick up that. With every loop you must have a counter, people. It's not like all in do Stacy class or going on. Stacy's always teaching all of this. You remember that counter? Yeah, man. Stacy is like the best programming teacher in the whole world. Woo! Still ain't get what desired option here. But say what? I not gonna try anymore. We have did something here at least to show. Oh my goodness, the date gone. Let me put back this data here first. That probably could be the error, you know. We make a mistake here, you know. Let me try this one more time. It actually delete the data, yes? Let me run this code one more time. Let me go back by the master book. Delete that. Close it. And run this algorithm again. It worked. Alright, and that's it for the day, class.